Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to see how to install the Linux generic HWE, that is the hardware enablement kernels. So there are two types of kernel in Ubuntu, the GA kernel or the general availability kernel. So it is a very stable kernel and it does not get updated many times of the year. Then we have got the HWE kernel, which is the latest kernel, and it gets a lot of updates, and every now and then you will get a small updates to the HWE kernel, while the general availability Linux generic kernel remains the same as it is for the full cycle of your point release. So how to install the Linux generic HWE, because you know Linux generic HWE is not the default kernel. Ubuntu and Ubuntu based Linux distributions come with the GA kernel by default, that is the general availability kernel. So to install this you have to run a command. The command is sudo apt install -- install recommends linux generic hwe 20.04. So I had done this quite a long time back, but I have recorded this terminal command output in the text file, so that I am showing you. This command still works. It will continue to work till the developers change it, but it works in 24.04 also, that is the latest LTS. What I am showing you is a little different, that is the older system that I have tried on. So once you do this, it will build the dependency tree, read the state information, read the package list, and then if the HWE kernel is not there on your system, it will install. But on my system, it was already there. So it is showing us Linux generic HWE 20.04 is already the latest version. So nothing is upgraded, nothing is installed, nothing to remove, and nothing is upgraded. So that's it. So in your case, if you don't have the HWE kernel installed before you run this command, then it will install the Linux generic HWE, that is the latest version of the HWE kernel that is available in the Ubuntu or Ubuntu based Linux distribution. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.